Welcome back. In this lesson, we get hands-on with the single most important tool on any service desk, the ticketing system. We'll look at how tickets flow from start to finish, the fields that make a ticket genuinely usable, and the three platforms you're most likely to meet on the job, which are ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, and Zendesk. By the end, you'll be able to write a ticket any technician could pick up. First, why bother with a ticketing system at all? Because it's the shared workspace where every request is logged, tracked, and documented. Without one, requests scatter across inboxes, sticky notes, and hallway chats, and things slip through the cracks. With one, every contact becomes a ticket with an ID, a status, a history, and an owner. It's the single source of truth, and because everything is recorded, it makes the whole desk's work measurable. Every ticket moves through states. The names vary a little between platforms, but the shape is the same. New means logged but not yet picked up. In progress means a technician is actively working it. On hold or pending means you're waiting on the user, a vendor, or a part. Resolved means the fix is applied and you're awaiting confirmation, and closed means it's confirmed and finished. Don't skip states, because that status field tells everyone, including the user, exactly where things stand. What makes a ticket usable? Imagine a colleague picking it up cold, with no other context. They need the requester and their contact details, a specific subject that names the system and the symptom, and a description with the symptoms, the error text, the timing, and what changed. Then a category, a priority, and an assignment to a person or a queue. Get those right and anyone on the team can run with it. Subject lines deserve special attention. A subject like "it's broken" gives nobody anything to work with. It can't be triaged, it can't be prioritized, and it can't be found again later. Compare it with Outlook 365, password incorrect error since 9 a.m. today. That second one can be understood, sorted, and searched in a single glance. Always name the system and the symptom in your subject. 3 tools dominate the job market. ServiceNow is the big enterprise IT service management suite, strongly aligned to ITIL. Jira Service Management is flexible and links tightly to software development teams. Zendesk is friendly, fast, and great across many channels. Here's the reassuring part: they all share the same core concepts. Learn the lifecycle and field discipline once, and you can move between them quickly. The buttons differ, but the thinking does not. When you write the description, capture both the user's words and the technical facts. A clean description reads like a short report. Notice in this example how it states what was tried, what was ruled out, and the environment, the operating system, the device, the network. A description like that tells the next person exactly where things stand. In a real sense, a good description is half the troubleshooting already done for whoever picks it up. 3 more fields tie it all together. The category, like email, network, or hardware, routes the ticket to the right team. The priority sets the order in which work gets done, which we'll cover in detail in a later lesson. And the assignment names the owner, whether that's a person or a queue. When these 3 are filled in correctly, triage takes seconds and the ticket lands in exactly the right hands the first time. Let's recap. Ticketing systems are the shared source of truth, and every request becomes a ticket that flows from new to closed. Strong fields, especially a clear subject and description, let any technician pick up the work. And the 3 big platforms, ServiceNow, Jira, and Zendesk, all share the same core ideas. Your task: write a complete ticket for Salmon Finance, whose S drive vanished after a reboot while others can still see it. Include subject, category, priority, and a real description. Match the quality of the good examples. See you next lesson.